Alright, what's going on guys? It's Mossy, aka Cybex Trades, and today we're back with another quick trade review slash recap. Gonna make this a short video again. Only took 3 trades on SPY today, and let's go and break it down. So as you guys can see, coming to the pre-market today, I had Dollar General for an ER play, but that didn't really happen. So mainly I had SPY and just that ticker on watch to play it. So coming into the day, as you guys can see, we have, let me just remove this. We're still in this range right now. We were still ranging, and I was managing my expectations going into the market before the market opened. We had some data come out here and we kind of gapped up and whatnot, as you guys can see. I was hoping we could get some downside break, but hoping is really not a term that you want to use in the stock market. So yeah, I mean, still holding the range. Market makers or big money just started to overall decided to stay still in this range here between 458 and 454 and 452. So my plan was to see to the downside a break of 454 for a quick scalp to like 450, 453.23 and whatnot. And for the upside, me personally, I was looking for 456.5, but I didn't really take any plays here because the price action was kind of sussy, kind of sus. So, but yeah, as you guys can see, even though we had a nice rally here, we looked like we were gonna bear flag here. So, but I just didn't really like the wicks here, so I stuck with my gut here. Ideally, you would have wanted to enter here if you want to catch this little move here, but yeah, it's like a dollar 457 to 4. Yeah, I mean it's like a almost a 70 $80 80 cents move. But yeah, first trade here was on the call side. Entered the 459 calls as is making this candle here, and scaled in right over here. I had with a very tight stop loss, so I was gonna go for a scalp here and just adjust my stop loss. As you guys can see, the moment that it lost 458, I exited both for 124, and then I entered the 455 puts here. Thought that we were going to see this bear flag here, and nothing really happened. Price was still consolidating and just picking its direction. And yeah, I was like, you know what, I'm going to wait for it now, and went back to 458, rejected it once again. Ideally, this is where it's a good entry to enter if you were going to enter, because the risk to reward is just so good if you're going to see this, if you're able to see how the candles are forming in real time. But me personally, I'm not really happy with my entry for my risk to reward on this trade. And for me, I just wanted to catch something today, and I got to really be journaling that and reminding myself that sometimes it's just not really worth it, because if it didn't really go my way, and I could have just been I could have lost a little bit more. So either way, I was already down. So yeah, that just, you don't want to do that as a risk to reward standpoint. But overall, though, I really was waiting for this setup, so I was like, I'm not gonna miss this. That's one of the part of the reasons why I just entered the trade here below the break of VWAP. Entered back with the same contracts at 455 puts at 280. I mean, at two contracts at 80 cents, and yeah, wrote it down here for a quick scalp. Trimmed one here, but then I noticed that I was like, you know what? I don't really know how much I'm up, so let me just not be greedy here. We're still ranging, so I decided to exit and leave the last runner, which is a good idea because it reclaimed and basically retested 458 and is just trying to hold it right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Nothing too crazy overall. I was really watching this. I could definitely improve on this in terms of execution. Next time, what I'm gonna do is if we stay in the somewhere ranges and setups like this will present itself, I'm gonna set an alert instead, somewhere like just put like a level alert like this and then just set an alert on it, because ideally this is a good entry right here. If you wanted to enter, and your stop loss would be like right here, or if you wanted to enter right here, stop loss right here. Very good risk to reward here to catch here. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for today. And yeah, thank you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.